Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Maths Club. I am Professor Deepanjan Kumar De. Today we are going to learn about knowledge based system in artificial intelligence. This is very important for BCA, BTech, MCA, MTech and others competitive exam throughout India like NET exam, GATE exam. So in artificial intelligence, knowledge base plays an important role. To understand knowledge based system, let us take an example. Suppose real life example I am giving here, then you will understand very clearly about knowledge based system. So suppose a child knows how to cross the road. Whenever cars are running, then he come back. Do not cross or do not move. Okay, that means once again I am telling, a child knows how to cross the road. Whenever cars are running, then come back, do not cross the road. This is knowledge base. So using this knowledge base, he will not cross the train line when the trains are moving on the line. So that means he knew that how to cross the road. Using that experience, he will not cross the train line when the trains are moving on the line, on the track line. Okay, so that is same as knowledge base is a database store in machine or computer. Using that machine or computer that means using that database, the machine or computer will take the intelligent decision. So now what is knowledge base? Knowledge base is a database stored in machine. Using that database, the machine or computer will take the intelligent decision. This is known as knowledge base. Okay, if I take another very simple example, suppose a child knows the addition, that is 2 plus 3 equal to 5. That is, he knows the addition. Then he can say 5 plus 3 equal to 8, because he had an experience for how to do addition, that is 2 plus 3 5. Then using that experience, he can say 5 plus 3 equal to 8. So this is knowledge base. Now if I say the definition of knowledge base, now I am define definition of knowledge base. Definition: a knowledge base system, that is KBS. Knowledge base system is a database used for knowledge sharing and management. Knowledge sharing and management. That is, many knowledge base are structured around artificial intelligence artificial intelligence and not only stored and not only store data but find solution. Try to understand, find solutions for further problems, using data from previous experience. This is very, very important. Previous experience stored as part of knowledge base. This is very important, previous experience. That means, once again I am telling, many knowledge base are structured around artificial intelligence and not only store data but find solution. The machine or you can say computer will find the solution for further problems using the data from previous experience. That means already gathered, stored in database. So knowledge are there, some experience data are there. Using that data for further problem, using data from previous experience stored as part of knowledge base. That means the machine will give the solution using the previous experience stored, because it has stored the knowledge, that is, or in knowledge or information, or you can say facts already stored in the computer, and the computer gives the solution, gives a intelligent solution. Okay, using the previous using the data from previous experience stored, that was stored as part of knowledge base. So this is known as knowledge base. Now I am explaining the components of knowledge base. Very, very important, components of knowledge base system, KBS, components of knowledge base system. Firstly, number one, knowledge base KB, knowledge base, it is knowledge base, okay, KB, knowledge base. Number two, that is inference engine, Number three, user interface. These are the three components of knowledge base system. Now what is knowledge base? That is knowledge base. In knowledge base, store knowledge or contain, you can say contain information or facts. That is, in knowledge base it contain the information or fact, or you can say store knowledge. Inference engines drive the answer of the query. Inference engine means it gives the answer of query, the answer of query by the user. It gives the answer of query by the user. user, or you can say it is also called brain. It is also called brain. Very, very important. Next is user interface. User interface, in this portion, in this part, the user send the query and to communicate with knowledge, and to communicate with knowledge, this is known as user interface. So first component is knowledge base. This is knowledge base. Knowledge base means it contains information or facts, or you can say stored knowledge. Inference engine means it gives the answer of the query by the user which question or which query is asking by the user. The inference engine gives the answer, or you can say the output, or you can say answer, or you can say the output of the query, or you can say it gives the output of the query. Next is user interface. User interface, user send the query and to communicate with knowledge base, communicate with KB. This user send the query to communicate with KB. Now if I see the if I draw a diagram like this, this is the knowledge base, KB knowledge base. It contain knowledge base contain facts, knowledge or information. It contain like this. Next is that is inference engine. This is inference engine. Inference engine. This is inference engine, and this is then that is user interface. This is user interface. Okay, suppose that one user send a query, send query to the user interface. User interface send a query, then the user interface, the query will go to this query goes to knowledge base to communicate. That query will send to the knowledge base through user engine. Then it come back, then it through inference engine, the output will come through this way. Output, or you can say the solution of the query. So these are the architecture, or you can say component of knowledge based system. One is knowledge base, then inference engine, then user interface. Inference engines, what is the function? Derive the answer of this query, that is the output of this query. Then user interface, that is user send the query to communicate knowledge base. This is user interface. Okay, I think you understood. I think you understood very nicely what is knowledge based system. It is very, very important for artificial intelligence. That is very important. Knowledge based system plays an important role on artificial intelligence. So in my next video I will come back soon. Till then, bye bye. Thank you very much.